99% of people use ChatGPT like a search engine, and that's exactly why they make $0 with it. These 5 prompts are how the other 1% get paid. I'll give you 5 prompts, word for word, that turn ChatGPT into something a business will actually pay for. Copy them, swap in your details, done. Prompt number 4 is the one that closes the deal and gets you paid. So don't skip ahead because each one feeds the next. Here's the one rule that makes all 5 work. Don't ask ChatGPT a question. Give it a role. Write me a caption gets you garbage everyone else has. You are a conversion copywriter for a dental clinic gets you something you can sell. Every prompt here starts by hiring ChatGPT for a job. Let's hire it. Prompt 1 turns ChatGPT into a paid specialist on demand. You are a senior copywriter with 10 years experience serving local dentists. Your job is to write 3 Instagram captions that get more appointment bookings. Ask me 3 questions before you start, then write in a warm, confident tone. That Ask Me 3 Questions line is the secret. It forces ChatGPT to gather context like a real freelancer, so the output is specific instead of generic. This single prompt is a service you can sell today. Now, a great deliverable is worthless if nobody's paying you for it. So prompt 2 is how you actually find the person who will. This is where most people freeze, and it's the difference between a hobby and income. Prompt 2 writes the message that lands the client. Write a short, friendly, cold message to a local dentist. I help them get more bookings by improving their Instagram using AI. Don't be salesy. Lead with one specific thing I noticed about their page. Offer one free sample, and end with a low-pressure question, under 60 words. Notice, no pitch, no pressure, one free sample. That's what gets replies in 2026. You send 10 of these, 2 reply, 1 pays. That's the whole loop. Prompt 3 is your unfair speed advantage. Here is one of my best performing posts. Study the voice, structure, and hook. Now write 30 more posts in the exact same style for my niche, each with a scroll-stopping first line. Number them and give each a one-line visual idea. What used to take a freelancer a week, you deliver in an afternoon. Same price to the client, a fraction of the time for you. That gap is your profit. Okay, prompt 4, the one I promised, the one that gets you paid. Because here's where beginners lose the money. The client says, "Sounds good, how much?" And they panic. This prompt answers it for you. Write a simple 1-page proposal for a dentist for monthly Instagram content. Include the problem, what I'll deliver, 3 pricing tiers, good, better, best, and a clear next step. Confident, plain English, no jargon. 3 tiers is the trick. Most people pick the middle, so you anchor high and they feel in control. This is the prompt that turns "sounds good" into a paid invoice. Prompt 5 is how you stop trading hours for money. I keep solving this exact problem for clients. Turn my solution into a digital product I can sell once and deliver forever. A template, checklist, or mini guide. Outline it, name it, and write the sales page. Do the service first. Notice the same problem over and over, then package it. The market already told you what to build. This prompt builds it. If you do one thing tonight, take prompt 1. Pick one type of business you'd actually want to help, and run it. Don't collect prompts. Use one. A prompt you run beats 10 you saved. Want the full picture of which AI business to build around these? I broke down the 4 honest ways to make money with AI in another video. It's the first thing you should watch, and it's linked right here. Subscribe so the next prompt drops in your feed, and tell me in the comments which business you'd run prompt 1 for. I'll reply with a tweak to make it sharper. See you in the next one. This video is for education, not financial advice.